Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. As you can see by the title above, today's video is a mini album project share. I have been meaning to do this album for quite some time. My friend Tony, Craft Purge on here, she has a tutorial. I'll link that down below. But let's get on with the project share. You guys, how cute is this? I absolutely love how it turned out. I followed a lot of Tony's way of doing it. I don't know if you guys remember, but maybe a few videos back, well, quite a few videos back, I did the embellishment books, and she kind of got inspired by that and started creating these mini albums. My embellishment books were almost a little smaller than this, probably like up to here, but I loved the idea and the take that she took on it, and I decided to create one. And I've been meaning to do it for so long, and I finally did it last night, and I absolutely love it. So here's what I put on the little binding on the back. I just put some of the stars from the collection. I used the heart paper from the collection. I did the 3 layers that she tells you to do on the video, which is super fun. That's such a good idea. I sewed it and I made the shaker. I put the cute little clock in the inside from the stickers, the little puffy stickers. So it has like a cute little shake. I did double tulle. I've never done that before, but I kind of wanted to. I felt like it was too thin. There's some seed beads in there, if you can see. And that was just a little mix that I had in my stash, and I just put it in there. I used one of the little puffy stickers that says the beauty of you. I absolutely love it, you guys. And then the back is just another paper from the collection. And then I put this little flower here that I made. And I wasn't going to put this flower here, but I got some pink ink, if you can see here, on my book, and it was annoying me. So I put this little flower there to hide that. And then it says here, Made with Love by Crafting with Liller. I also used I have it right here actually, the same one that Tony used, what is this called? Like the seam binding. I used the same one she used. It is a little thick like she says in the video, but I still think it looks cute. So let's open this bad boy. I just did a little bow that ends up turning on the side. And then when you open it up, you guys, we have the first page. And you guys, I'm obsessed with this page. This is my favorite page. Look how cute. The paper is from the collection as well as the whole book is. I used the cute little girl from the standouts. I made a little bow for her. This is the little fences that I've been using from Michael's, which is these right here. I think they're so cute, and I like that they're not so puffy. They're flat enough to go on projects. I put one of the little houses in the back as if she was like walking down the block, and the house is up there. It says together right here. And then I have these little clouds that I had found in Michael's, and it was like a pack of 3, and I just put them in. They're so little, they're like soft and velvety. I absolutely love them. And then in this page there is quite a few clusters. I did some trim here, some star trim. It's cute little, this is the cut apart card from the collection, the frame. And then I added like little flowers. One of those flowers that I made, I put it right here as well. A little chipboard piece, a doily in the back. Just tons of layering, you guys. And then in here, there's a little pocket, and I added some swans that I had made. Super cute. Just to give to whoever I give this flip book to. And then this page has my favorite trim from Hobby Lobby, and then I just found this in my little trim bucket. I made a cute little tiny bow that looks like the ones from the collection, so a little thread bow. We have this cute little, kind of like a little not a chipboard, a little ephemera piece that says remember that one time. Some cute little foam hearts from the collection, the little flower from the collection as well, and I added some glitter to it just to give it a little something. Then over here we have a cute little pocket. I added some tags, some doilies, and then up here there's another pocket, And in here, I just have some butterflies that I made using the Tim Holtz butterfly die. And that's just a little goodie that I put in here. Has a little same trim that I used at the beginning. Some cute little butterflies with pom-poms, some enamel dots, another one of the little foam stickers. Then on this page, I have some rosettes that I created for the recipient. Super cute. This is also using the Tim Holtz die. This paper is not from Willow Lane. I actually used that paper because I had already made the rosettes, but the other papers are. So I have that on that side. And then over here, I have the little flap that Tony showed on her video, except she has it on the front. I put it on the back, and she did a magnet. I did Velcro, and then I just put Reed on the flap and a little butterfly from Michael's. And with the Velcro, open it up, and in here is where the recipient's letter will go. It's matted all around. You guys, I absolutely love this style of Happy Mail. But that is how my little mini album turned out, and I am so happy with it. If you guys definitely want to try one out, definitely go check out her tutorial. This was super fun to make. And yeah, you guys, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.